Hi, I'm Don, AKA the Nuge, Nguyen, professional skateboarder. Name should go right here somewhere. And this is my 1979 Pontiac Firebird. I guess getting into cars and shit was kind of a young age because my cousin Randy was always into it, and then he had a fucking Firebird, a '69 Firebird, and I still remember the photos of it. It was like a yellowish thing, and he was just in front of it with his buddies and a mustache and shit, and I couldn't have either. I was like, hey, bro, get a mustache? Finally got one though, look at that. Cars and music, he was kind of that guy for me. I got this car probably like 12 years ago from a friend. Went to his house one day and I was like, what the fuck is this? He was like, it's my dad's car, but I gotta get rid of it. It looked like shit, I bought it, and then it turns out it's like in great shape, just like needed some cosmetic shit, you know, like got it painted, wheels, exhaust, interior and shit, just to make it drivable for me. With the stance and all that shit, I just hit my cousin Randy up every time. I was like, about to get wheels, what do I get? And he was like, American Racing Torque Thrust, and don't fuck around. And I was like, okay, sorry. Keep it looking like how it should look, and just don't do nothing stupid. And I was like, okay. I kind of was like, yo, I want to change the stance up because it looks like it should be a little bit lower. And then I hit up Aldan and POL and they hooked it up. For the stance, I went with Performance Online Stage 3 suspension kit with the upper and lower control arms and the coil overs from Aldan. And it kind of like left my back normal and just gave the front like a 2-inch drop, and it's like perfect. Gave it that little. Yeah, it's my daily driver. I drive it every day. I do care a lot, but sometimes I'm like, fucking get a ding. What are you gonna do? Call the cops?
What's next?
I want to do blackout brakes conversion. I want all disc brakes. Over here playing the drums and shit. I kind of manifested this whole thing in a movie once. I was in that movie Lords of Dogtown, and they were like coming around, and I like just won a contest or something, and they were like, right here you gotta say something, but we don't have anything in the script, so just make up something. And I was like, all right.
Skateboarding's been great. Thinking about buying a new Trans Am. Black on black, big fat tires on the back.
My car gets hired for like some shoots and shit here and there, but it's like, it's obvious, it's definitely from living in LA, you know, like you wouldn't get that shit where I'm from. They always need some old car to be in some shit. It's pretty sick, actually. The car is paying for itself. Didn't I just wash this thing? Is this raccoon shit? What's happening here, dude? What is this?
Thank you for shopping with POL at performanceonline.com. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.